Guanajuato. Guanajuato. Let's see. So now we're going to walk down the hill here from the lookout point. Let's see if we can get to the central area. So what we did was take this funicular, which is also called a cable car, and we took it down the hill. Real steep descent. Oh, okay, so we've arrived here in the Centro. We got a beautiful church here. Hotel San Diego. Wow. That's where we were, right there. There's the restaurants here. All right. So they do have a subterranean world here, or a subterranean walking area, and the reason they have that is because they used to do a lot of mining here, silver and gold. It was even said at one point that before the Spanish arrived, you could find gold nuggets just on the ground here. They do have a lot of stray dogs, I've noticed. Definitely gonna need to get some good food here. Look at these dogs. They have a subterranean city somewhere around here. Wow. So Guanajuato City is actually built in a valley, very narrow valley, and the name now, essentially Guanajuato, is like Frog Hill. Basically what it means is Frog Hill. The Hill of the Frogs. They do have a bit of a problem with flooding here, though. This is a very Spanish-style city. Check out this cathedral here. Wow. All right. What we got going on down there? Alleyways galore here. These roads are actually so skinny and so old. They were built way before cars were even a thing. So many cars can't even go down most of these alleyways. Here we are under the city of Guanajuato. Right here. Just kind of showing you what it looks like down here. That's how people get around. see down there, I just showed you, this is what it looks like above there. Totally a subterranean world. Still just cruising around here. That's Calle Miguel Hidalgo. You can see how they built these houses and these structures right along the highway. Wow, look at that over there. Wow. There's Punta Campareno. Jardín de la Union is this way. Should I go in the direction of the music? Iglesia de Cristo. So this is the direction of the music. Okay. Not too many cities in the world like this. All right, we'll go back down here on La Union. I'm now looking for some food. I think I want to go to the Centro Historico. We decided to film this one in the evening time just because I thought the evening sunset hour would make the place a little bit more colorful. But this is definitely a place you can come to morning, afternoon, sunset, or even nighttime, which is coming up. But I will film after dark here soon. An old Spaniard conquistador. It's a museum. This is Horario de Visita. I don't know what that means. Museo Incongrafio del Quijote. Okay. This is the house of Quixote. Just a real nice looking house. Hola. So, open? Okay, we're coming back up to the central historical area where all the restaurants are. And the theater, Teatro Juarez. Tradición Centuria. The dog's jealous. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Dog's much smaller, trying to mount a bigger dog. What is this one? Bar Santa Fe. That's what they got on the menu. Those are peso prices. Remember, 20 pesos equals $1. This is like a fondito with chorizo right here. And it comes with some tortillas. Chorizo fondito. Oh. And there it is in the taco. Enchilada. You can see what it looks like at night. Lots of singing goes on here in Guanajuato. Mariachi bands, a cappella. It's a really cool town. Hey, look, if you guys are looking for a hostel, Casa Frida right here in the historical area. Beautiful weather this evening. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Island Hopper TV, and we will see you on the next one.